Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear trash folder on Samsung Android. Now let's get started. First, open your gallery. You just click on it. And after this, at the gallery, if you wanna clear trash folder, so you just click on the three lights icon at the bottom. You just click on it. And after this, in here you just click on the trash. And after this, in here you just click on empty at the top. Click on empty and click on the empty trash. Just click on it and waiting until the process has been finished. Okay, and finish. So that how to clear trash folder on Samsung Android. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.